Alimony means money that one spouse pays to the other after divorce or separation. It is paid to support the other person financially. In simple words, alimony equals money given to a husband or wife after divorce. After a divorce, one person may not have enough money to live comfortably. The court may order the other person to pay alimony. This money helps with food, rent, daily living expenses. Alimony is usually paid every month, but sometimes it can be paid one time only. He pays alimony to his ex-wife. The money helps her live. She receives alimony after the divorce. She gets financial support. The court decided the amount of alimony. Alimony helps the spouse after separation. He stopped paying alimony last year. Alimony is common in divorce cases. Some people depend on alimony for living. The law decides who pays alimony. The judge ordered him to pay alimony every month. Alimony equals money after divorce.